Well, hello, this is Rosa, RCG Creations. How are you doing? Bringing to you today a video on, we're going to be making, oops, let me turn you over. I didn't go far down, sorry. You can't see everything. I want to show you the table. You don't need to see me, just show you the table. Okay, we're making Chex Mix snacks, but with no butter. No honey, because I just basically want it toasted just to have a little snack. And we're going to be using SOOO, which is low-cal sugar, just for added flavor. But I did get the wheat Chex. Our local store didn't have all the other 4 brands, so I only got the 2. And then this, but this one does have honey already in it. And honey, excuse me, sorry about that. 1 serving, which is 1 cup, is 160 calories, 37 grams of carbs, 260 of sodium, 0 mg of cholesterol, 1.5 g of trans fat, and then 2 grams of protein. So it is what it is. But I've been wanting to have just a light little snack, nothing major, nothing heavy, for like around about 2 hours after I have my dinner. But I just want like a handful, so I'm going to put these in a snack bag. That way all I get is 1 snack bag and that's it for the entire day. So I'm going to put the whole bag in here. And it's going to go in the garbage. And this one is the wheat Chex. I like the rice Chex myself. But they didn't have any at all. They were all gone. And they didn't have any of the corn Chex either. So, you know what? You just make do with what you got. That's just the way it is. Oh, and I forgot to show you. Let me get in the bottom. Make sure you got clean hands, clean table. Alright. I chopped up my walnuts and my peanuts, so they're little bite-sized pieces. Here's my cutting mat with the residue of the nuts cuts. And a friend of mine gave me some nuts. She had a whole bunch of extras, so she gave me a baggie full of walnuts. So I just chopped both of these up as my nut, because I love nuts. And I'm going to add a little bit of Italian seasoning. I'm not going to measure, I'm just going to sprinkle. Okay, and it's just for flavor. Like I said, typically you would put butter. Oh, my oven's on. You're going to bake it for an hour at 250 degrees, and then you're going to toss it every 15 minutes. Tossing keeps it toasty and keeps one side burning from the other. We're just going to add a little bit of these crushed red peppers. Not a whole lot. I want some kick, but I don't want a lot of kick. And we're going to add some smoked paprika. I'm not doing no salt, no pepper. Because of the honey, that one box having honey, and it was a bigger box. I tried to get all the same box, but it just didn't work out. And I'm not doing a whole lot of seasoning. Again, like I said originally, this is just mostly to be a dry snack, but it tastes so much better when it's toasted. Now I'm just going to mix it up. Grab from the bottom. Grab my nuts, and then mix everything up. This will take a few minutes. So I'm going to continue doing this. Then I'm going to lay them on my cookie sheet that's got parchment paper, lay them all flat, put them in the oven, set my timer for every 15 minutes. I'm going to go in there and I'm going to toss them. Now it's always better if you can toss them with a big old spatula, so that way you don't break any of your little cereal bits. It stays full in the full solid little squares. Okay, so we'll bring it back. So I'm hoping to really get this thing under 15 minutes. So we'll be bringing it back. Okay, we are done with 3 trays. 1, 2, 3. I've got 2 more to put in the oven, but I've got something in there right now. But I want to go ahead and finish this up and show you and do the taste test. I'm burning up. I'm doing a lot of bacon. Okay, so let's do a little bit nice and crunchy and toasty, which is what I wanted. I wanted a snack that was nice and toasty, not overly with a bunch of stuff in it. And here's the other one. And as you can see, there's not hardly any of the seasoning coating on it because I didn't put a whole lot. It's just a hint of the Italian seasoning and just a hint of the smoked paprika. I don't even taste. There's one of the chili pepper seeds. I don't even taste any of those. But overall, when it gets all mixed up together, and here's my little snack bags. Oh, here's the one. Oh, the other tray has the one with my nuts in it. I didn't do, oh, here's a peanut. I didn't do a whole lot of nuts. Hubby's not so much into nuts. And I want him to have some of this too. Because again, like I said, this is just a snack. But this is the maximum snack that I'm giving myself on my weight program. Because I'm already cheating by eating this to begin with. But it curbs my around 3:30. Oh, you know what? I was making some scones. That's a piece of dough. I was going to say, what is that? I got my apron dirty, so I was toss it in the wash. So this is going to be one little snack bag. And we'll finish these all up. Finish up the rest of them. And let me bring you up so you can see me. You can still see part of that in me. This is my take on making your own little snack with some Chex cereal, nuts, and some seasonings of your flavor if you're liking. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Bye-bye.